Uganda, my home. We rise with peace tonight. Yeah. From the villages to the city lights, we stood together through the days and nights. Every voice we hear, hope in our hearts, no place for fear. Years of building step by step, yeah. Holding the vision, earning respect. Through every season, strong and true, we see the path we're walking through. When the numbers speak, we stay calm. Amani kwanza, mioyo pamoja. We thank the journey, we trust the way. Uganda standing tall today. Thank you, Uganda. We celebrate Zemeta. Museveni mbele, tunamshukuru. With peace and pride, we lift our hands kwa umoja na maendeleo. Tunakubali matokeo kwa amani. Forward we go, side by side. Uganda strong we rise. Yeah. The youth got dreams that us pray for steady hands to lead the way. In a changing world we choose to stand for unity across the land. No hate, no fight, just one embrace. Respect the choice, respect the space. From north to south, east to west, together we give our best. Let wisdom guide us from today to seek sauti ya amani. With grateful hearts we move ahead, hope in every word we say. Thank you, Uganda. We celebrate Zakwante. Museveni mbele, tunamshukuru. With peace and pride, we lift our hands kwa umoja na maendeleo. Thank you, Uganda. Hearts align, tunakubali matokeo kwa amani. Forward we go, side by side. Uganda strong we rise. Uganda moya, watu pamoja. Twakire biba mukalulu no butebe nkevu. Obumune mirembe bitutwala maso. Ekitibwa eri Uganda yona. Amani kwanza, tusonge mbele. Museveni leading, what goes on, urugendo rukomeza. Thank you, Uganda, proud and free. Peace and progress for you and me. Peace first, progress always. Forward together.